In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TSB mobile branches and ATMs near you using a straightforward step-by-step approach. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and head over to the TSB Bank website. It's the primary hub where you'll get all the necessary information. Once you're on the home page, make sure you scroll down. Don't rush through this part. Taking a moment to carefully navigate will ensure you don't miss any important options or tools. As you scroll, keep your eyes peeled for the branch locator link. This is your gateway to finding all the TSB locations, both branches and ATMs near you. Clicking on the branch locator link will take you to a new web page dedicated to searching for TSB branches. Here, you'll want to type in your address, city, or postcode. This is essentially your search tool for narrowing down options specific to your vicinity, making it easier and more efficient to find what you need. Don't just click on the first suggestion you see. Ensure it matches the location you're interested in. After typing and confirming your information, go ahead and select from the search results that appear. This will likely include various branches and ATMs laid out in list format according to distance or relevance. It's a good idea to take note of each option, especially if you frequent different areas and need geographic flexibility. Now, as you select from the options, you'll see a detailed list of available branches or ATMs. Accompanying each option, you will also find their operating hours and precise address, which is incredibly helpful for planning visits, especially during peak business hours. Here's a valuable tip. For further convenience, you can click on branch directions for any location. This feature will redirect you to Google Maps, providing seamless directions right at your fingertips. Additionally, don't forget to utilize the interactive map feature. The map contains pins marking each TSB location available in your area. Clicking on these pins will automatically scroll the web page down to show more detailed information about that particular location in your search results. This can save you time and help in visually planning your route if you prefer a more graphical interface. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have a clear understanding of how to find TSB mobile branches and ATMs nearby. Remember, whether you need to make a quick withdrawal, deposit funds, or meet a banking advisor, finding the nearest location is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and happy banking!